If you want to add a calendar into Google Docs, whether it's for planning, scheduling, schoolwork, or a simple printable layout, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it. And if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Docs tutorials just like this. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. This is where you'll choose the calendar view, or the exact dates you want to add into your document. You can use a day, week, month, or any custom date range depending on what you need. If you want a clean calendar image to place inside Google Docs, the next step is to open the Settings menu. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner, click it, and then choose Print. This is a useful option because it lets you turn your selected calendar view into a printable file. Once the print screen opens, carefully choose the date range and the calendar view you want included. If you only need 1 month, keep it simple and select that month. If you need multiple weeks or a full schedule, adjust the range so everything appears the way you want. After that, click Print. Instead of printing to paper, save the file as a PDF. This gives you a clean digital version of your calendar that you can reuse. Now open Google Docs in a new tab or in another window. Once your document is open, place your cursor where you want the calendar to appear. Then click Insert, go to Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Find the PDF or the saved calendar image on your device and upload it into your document. If needed, you can also take a screenshot of the calendar before uploading it, especially if you want only a specific section visible. After the image is inserted, you can resize it, move it around, and format it to fit your document layout. This is a great way to add a calendar into Google Docs without building one from scratch. It's fast, clean, and perfect for project plans, lesson schedules, content calendars, and printable worksheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.